I'm your commentator, John Champion, and summarising here with me is Jim Beglin.
Hello, John. Hello, everyone. It's a real pleasure to be here.
And we're now underway. It went over the line. Plays this forward, wants to get this forward. Oh, he's maybe kept the ball a bit too long there. Picked off there. Some slick passing on display. What can they make of it? He's got in. The pass needed to be better there. No, it's been cut out. Quarter of an hour gone in the first half. He's looking to play it into the channel. It's come through to him. Maybe now. Slides it through. The defence will have to be on its toes with this throw. Possibility for a shot. Tries his luck. The post to the rescue. This is lovely passing to watch. No, it was cut out. Almost 30 minutes into the first half. Didn't get anywhere near the ball. Free kick. He knocks it in.
Well, listen, when it's congested through the centre of the pitch like that, they're threatened more from the wider positions.
Looking to carve open the defence.
If the support had come quicker, that wouldn't have broken down.
That's a throw. That wasn't the best of passes, really. Sloppy pass, intercepted. And that's been intercepted.
They may well get a bit more joy down the flanks. They'll certainly find more space out there.
A fine display of slick passing. A shot! Keeper claims it.
Well, his first touch wasn't quite what he was looking for, and that made things difficult for him. It just got away from him slightly.
Looking to thread it through. And a shot here. Goal! 1-0. Super teamwork there.
And when the ball through is that good, there isn't much a defence can do. That's as incisive as it comes.
They get us underway at 1-0.
Well, that's put him in the driving seat, but there's a lot of football left in this one yet, believe me.
Still outside the area. The half-time whistle goes.
Well, yes, we've only got the one goal, but it's the managers who can now make the real difference in this second half.
It's a cagey game, this one. Plenty to fascinate the spectators, though. The score is 1-0. The second half kicks off then. Tries to slide it past the defence. Shoots here, it's led to a goal! 2 goals to the good, and they're set fair. The keeper just didn't deal with it, and his team has paid the price.
Well, that's not the best attempt by the keeper, and he's just paid the ultimate price, hasn't he?
Now it's 2-0.
Well, that goal makes such a difference to the whole dynamic of this game. That second goal puts him in control now.
It's on for him. He wants to get a cross in from here. Up for the header. The idea was good, execution wasn't.
That was such a good effort, despite the attention of his marker. I thought he did really well there.
Good run down the side. Now, what next?
Well, it's a sharper cutting edge they need in front of goal.
Referee in a good position to give the free kick. Manchester United have this free kick.
He's got two options here. He either goes for goal or he opts for the little dink into the penalty box.
It just veered off to the right.
Well, he's a confident lad, but I'm sure a shot from that far out wasn't the best option.
And a cross, and it's the keeper on the receiving end of the cross. Approaching the hour mark. This could be interesting. He hits it. Really good try, but no goal.
The keeper was completely wrong-footed there, and he'll be relieved that that shot didn't stay on target.
This is very pleasing on the eye. And he's there to clear it. And he'll shoot! No, not on this occasion. A timely intervention. Ooh, dangerous pass.
Well, listen, when it's congested through the centre of the pitch like that, they'll threaten more from the wider positions.
Got it. Now a chance for a cross from the flank. Here's a shot. And it's just veered off to the left. No, beaten to it. We're almost in the final quarter of an hour. It's on for him. It's come through to him nicely. A chance. Chance for a shot. A huge chance missed.
Oh, that could so easily have been game over. There would have been no way back from 3 behind.
He plays it through. Intercepted. That is a cynical challenge. Mr. Referee, what do you reckon? Free kick. And that was a late challenge that brings a yellow. Wants to get this forward. Plays this forward. Shooting chance! Tried to play it through. Put into touch, the defence really working well today. Cut out in a promising position. He's got in. Got it. Wants to get this forward. And he continues this long run, going through nicely. There we have it, the match is all over. They dropped 3 points. Well, that happens, but what was uncharacteristic was the manner in which they lost. It'll be interesting.